देखिए इसमें मतलब मेरा ही फेस आ रहा है इसमें बस, लेकिन आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है, ऐसा तो चलेगा ना? आपका चेहरा नहीं आएगा, ऐसा चलेगा ना? मेरे बगल में एक अंकल बैठे हुए हैं। घाट पे मैं आया हूँ बैठने। थोड़ा जो मेरे मन में कुछ चीज़ें चल रही थी दिल्ली से आने के बाद, मुझे बहुत कुछ कहना है और इसके बारे में एक वीडियो बनाना था अपने छोटे से व्यूअरशिप के सामने, ये बताने के लिए कि मैं क्या फ़ील करता हूँ और पर्पस क्या है इस चैनल का, इस यूट्यूब चैनल का इनफैक्ट, जो मैंने इसी नाम से क्रिएट किया है। Many of you know me personally, they know who I am. Many of you are relatives, many of you are friends, and some of you are unknown to me. So first of all, thank you so much for thinking to follow me. But जब तक आप हमें जानेंगे नहीं, आई थिंक मेरी आवाज़ हज़ार लोगों तक तो एटलीस्ट पहुंच ही रही है। ठीक है, पानी पीने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, पी के आइए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अंकल हमारे साथ जो है ये भुंजा खा रहे थे, तो इनको मैंने कहा कि थोड़ा सा मैं ओपन होता हूँ। एक्चुअली देखिए, मैं अभी आई एम नॉट इवन लुकिंग इनटू द कैमरा व्हाइल स्पीकिंग। इट्स नॉट एन ईजी थिंग फॉर मी। आई एम काइंड ऑफ in a state where I am shivering, and not just because I don't want to face the camera like this. I very well can, okay, but the thing is, अभी तक शायद वैसा था। I have made a small change. If you can see in my face right now, there is a subtle but small change. Who know me personally and who can see this, kudos to you, thank you. But yeah, it means a lot, and it has a certain meaning, it contains a certain aura. So yeah, I'm talking about the little thing with the mustache that I did right now, okay. So देखो, मैंने ये चैनल बनाया मंत्री जी ऑफिशियल नाम से, राइट? तो जाहिर सी बात है, वाई दिस? तो आई वुड से दैट आई एम एन एस्पायरिंग मिनिस्टर, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ वेरी बिग स्टेटमेंट. आई थिंक आई वुड बी अ मच बेटर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया देन धर्मेंद्र प्रधान. ओके, सो या, when you are starting with something, why not start big? I know I hardly 1,000 people see this, hardly like 21 people know this, and they are not my voters. But yeah, I don't know anybody right now, but I am willing to contest an election in 2027 from Banaras itself, if need be. Okay, because I want to come in that system, and people like me need to come in this system to change the system from within. Okay, if you're not willing to fight your own fight, then like you deserve this. I went to the Jantar Mantar protest there in Delhi, and I saw things. Not physically, I'm not glad that I went away before all the brutality happened over there, but because I had to catch a train. But throughout the night I was seeing the videos that came from there, and it felt like every lathi, every brutality was on myself as well. So yeah, I maybe I need to face you like this, and I need to say what I stand for. I think the ministry, the police, the bureaucracy, the judiciary have lost their moral values. Either they are not taught these things in their childhood. I don't know what is going on, but this is not democratic India, and I do not want to see another day like this in India. Okay. So yeah, I am declaring my open war to all those in power right now who think they are invincible, who think they are gods. Okay, they cannot do anything to us. All right, all right. They cannot do anything to us. You cannot fight us with your values because you have none. You have none of the moral values that independent India needs right now. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I am declaring my war against war, not in the literal sense, of course, because you can like poof me anytime. I know your potential. I have seen it. I have seen. आप नहीं समझोगे भाई, आपको हिंदी में भी बताएंगे क्या बक रहे हैं, आपको बताएंगे। अगर आप हमसे बात करना चाहेंगे तो हम आपको बताएंगे। एक भाई यहाँ पे बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, इनको अगर प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है तो आपको इतनी प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रही है? आप मेरा इमोशन तो समझ ही रहे हो कि मैं किस इमोशन से बात कर रहा हूँ। आपको बात करनी है तो आओ सामने बात करो और पूछो कि मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ। मैं हिंदी नहीं जानता हूँ क्या? But I have had enough. I am saying this again and again. I have had enough. I just cannot see people treated like this in independent India. If you know where I am coming from, you have to support me. You have to put your voice out there. You have to come in front and say that you need this kind of leadership, not in the state but in center as well. And you need people, well-read people. You need people with values, who know the laws and who know that what is the need to follow those laws. Okay, so I am like declaring my open. I know you have that power. You can like, you know where I am sitting, right? If because I am not uploading it live, you won't be able to catch me right now, but you have that potential that you can catch me right now within 15 minutes. I know that. But that is not a democratic India. That is not the future I want for my kid who is going to come in 2 months. I am not going to be that kind of a father to him. Do you know where I am coming from? Do you? If you do, you have to support and you have to come in front yourself. Motivate people to come in politics. Because when you well-read people, educated people will be inside politics, only then you can change India. All right? Nothing is going to happen without education. Okay, education is the most important thing that India needs right now, and this is the treatment it gets when people ask for it. Our fundamental right. What they think? That have they ever read about Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad in their lives? Do these people matter in their lives at all? No, they don't. Fucking assholes, all of them. Delhi police and Delhi government, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. I know all the laws. I know everything. Okay, if you want to fight with me, come fight. You know where I'm living, right? See you later, okay? But I will come again and I'll upload this video again if needed.